family, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is selinazinchuk. So it all started off with this very beautiful long moisturized hair until my granddad fell sick, so we had to go to Minnesota. And in the month of October, this is what we had there. That's a very cold state. And this is what my daughter hair turned out to. So I have to find a way to save this hair, because she asked me, "Mommy, can you please save my hair?" So let's go and put some concoction together and try to save this hair. So I went in my backyard and plucked some fresh loquat leaves from my loquat tree. Just make sure that you wash this properly. I normally wash it and then I also soak it in salt water for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'm now going to go in with my aloe vera juice. Many of you guys always ask me about this aloe vera juice. I always get it from Walmart in the pharmacy. I'm now just going to add in my juice and then I will leave it for it to boil. I also have a lot of fresh aloe vera plants around my house, but when I want something quick, I just lay my hands on this. But if you want, you can also use your fresh aloe vera juice. Now, once you see that your loquat leaves change in color, then you should know it's ready. So you can turn your stove off and let it just cool down first before you start to use it. Now, to cleanse her hair and to help revive her curls, I will be using bentonite clay. I have that whole video on my channel, how I make my bentonite clay. I'll leave it down in the description box for you to check it out. I'm now just going to transfer my loquat leaves solution to my spray bottle for easy application. To start her hair routine, I'm first going to take my time and pre-poo her hair. When her hair is looking like this, I don't just go in with a shampoo. I have to take my time, finger to tangle her hair, make sure that I get all the tangles and knots out before I will go into doing the next step. When I'm working on a very tangled up hair like this, I need 3 ingredients. One is a solution, the second one is an oil, and the third one is a conditioner that have a lot of slip. I don't love to work on dry hair because it's just going to break. So after spraying this solution, I love to go in with an oil. I'm using my S Secrets Growth Oil because it's composed of both moisturizing and sealing oils. So this will also help prep the hair for me to be able to pass my fingers through it. And then the last thing, I will add in my conditioner, which will also help with extra slip. Now, when dealing with tangled hair, please do not panic. Just take your time and work in sections. Working in smaller sections will help you a lot. After hours of finger detangling her hair, I was able to restore her hair. It all comes down to the products you are using, your technique, and also you need to be patient. So I lost less hair than what I expected for us to lose. So let me just show you guys how much hair we lost, and this is it. This is far less than what I expected. But when I keep her hair in braids, we lose less hair than this. I'm now going in with my bentonite clay. I left the treatment on for 30 minutes and then after I just rinse it out. I'm now going to part her hair in smaller sections and apply the clay to her hair and her scalp. Bentonite clay contains a mixture of natural minerals that are beneficial for your hair, and it can also encourage hair growth. It moisturizes, conditions, softens, and reduces frizz. Bentonite clay encourages curl definition and shine. Regular use of bentonite clay can restore your dry, brittle, and damaged hair. It also depends on how bad of a shape your hair is in. Once you restore your hair back to a healthy state, you can use this once a month or even once a week. So this is how her hair is looking after I apply the clay to her hair and her scalp. Her curls are really looking nice. I'm now going to leave the clay on for an hour and then after I will rinse it out. And after rinsing it out, as you guys can see, I was able to revive her hair from that tangled up state to this. Some people just love to stop here, but I love to go in with my deep condition treatment. So I will be using my rice deep condition treatment on her. And then I will let her to sit under the steamer for 20 minutes. And then after, I will leave the treatment on for an hour. I will rinse it out and then put her hair back in braids. And it's going to stay in that braids. To moisturize her hair and keep it in braids, I'm using the remaining Loqua leaf solution, my aloe vera butter, and my S Secrets growth oil. Okay, family, so this is how I was able to save Sonya here. I know it is already cold in some state now and winter is coming and such a weather is very bad for our hair. So just find a protective style that will best suit you and try to protect your hair during harsh weather. If you love this video, can you please give me a like, leave a comment down below and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.